Hi, my name is John Piantanita, and I'm the owner of JBP Technology Services. We provide computer and technology support for users in the Tampa Bay area. After working in the industry for over 25 years, providing professional services to all types of businesses, large and small, it was time for me to start doing things my way, which means taking care of a person's needs, not selling them a service. Taking the time to understand what they see as the problem and provide the best solution for them, even if it isn't the most profitable for the company. Treating people not just as clients, but as friends. We have become dependent on our computers, and when they're not working as they should, parts of our life get put on hold. Some problems are just annoying, like long startups, junk programs that pop up ads, slowness on the internet, missing sounds. Problems such as this are frustrating, sometimes to the point where it doesn't even seem worth even trying to use the computer. But even worse, a hard drive failure, where we lose all of our pictures, videos, documents, our modern life history. This can be devastating. Or a virus that takes over and blasts spam emails to all of our contacts, clogging up their inboxes with potentially dangerous junk that appears to have come from us. And even when things are working, there are always ways we would want them to be better. Longer range in our wireless connections, easier sharing between devices, a better feeling of security from the dangers of the internet, plus safe and secure backups of the data we don't ever want to lose. These are just a few of the things we take for granted until we really need it or something goes wrong. It is much easier to protect yourselves now than it is to recover from a catastrophic failure later. We all know it's impossible to foretell the future, but we can take steps now to prepare for whatever it might bring, whether it be new opportunities or unexpected problems. Safe with the knowledge that no matter what happens, the things that are most important to us are protected. Coming up on my YouTube channel, I'll explore some of the topics I get asked the most, from simple computer tune-up tricks to how to determine if you have a virus, and dozens of other subjects in between. Looking for some specific information you need? Go to my website at johnpiantanita.com and fill out the contact form. Let me know what computer issue you'd like discussed, and I'll devote an episode to it. Thanks for your time, and remember, JBP Technology Services is always available to help, on-site or remotely, for your convenience. Thanks for listening, and have a wonderful day.